Our services on mobile apps development. Unleash the power of mobile innovation with SPSoft. Our expertise lies in developing cutting-edge native mobile applications for Android and iOS devices. These feature-packed apps are designed to provide unparalleled performance, ensuring an exceptional user experience. How we can help: development of customized iOS and Android applications, creation of native and cross-platform applications, conducting manual and automation testing for your apps, implementing UI/UX designs for an enhanced user experience, providing maintenance and post-warranty support, 24/7 dedicated support for your applications. Our mobile app development services. Let all your ideas bloom. We build the best app for your idea. Native app development. Delivering exceptional enterprise Android, iOS app development services. Our skilled team utilizes cutting-edge technology and industry expertise to create reliable, scalable, and customized solutions. Android app development services. iOS app development services. Discover all the multiple platforms possibilities app development can bring to your business. Cross-platform and hybrid app development. Harness the potential of our advanced cross-platform app development service to build stunning and high-performing mobile apps for both iOS and Android users. Gain a competitive edge through our cost-effective and exceptional app development service. Reactive Native, Flutter, Ionic. Our implementation process. Creating installable applications for the mobile devices and implementing back-end services. Ideate. Strategize. Design. Architecture. Development. Testing. Support. Let us help you put your ideas in motion.